Hello, this is Sunshine and Country Channel. We're just here making a trellis, a standalone trellis that we can sit on the ground. As you can see, we just made a basic 2x4 frame and just using this vinyl trellis that you can get at any of the hardware stores, and then just screwing them into the frame to hold it in place. So what we're going to be planting to grow on this is Phaedra's Cherokee Rose that was in one of our other videos. So we'll be planting it right around up here in the front here, right behind this archway. So right along that straight area there. Once it gets set up, we'll show you what it looks like, but we still have to make the legs that will go under this, and then the braces with the pieces of wood over there, and to help keep it stable. So once we get that done, we'll set it up and show you what the result is. But just another quick project that you can do. Simple frame, piece of vinyl. You don't have to cut it all really, just screw in, and then basically just cutting your legs and your braces and your feet with the other pieces and screwing those in. So we'll be back. Okay, welcome back here. We just finished up the trellis project. As you can see, we had to cut a few new pieces for the base. The other ones were not treated that we had at the other house, so we just replaced those for the base to keep it stable and straight and standing up. And then simply just cut the other ones with a miter saw to use as the braces in between there to keep it stable from falling over. And we have ourselves a trellis we didn't have to put into the ground. You know, we can replace it as needed and we can move it as needed. But the Cherokee Rose will go in the middle here, right under it, so that it can grow up and branch out into this area. And as we're driving in, you can see the flowers from as we drive into the driveway here. One of the first things you'll see is the Cherokee Rose when they start blooming. So we'll look forward to that, and be another small project planting all the spring plants that we'll be getting, and so we'll update y'all on that. So again, just something simple you can do on your homestead if you want a trellis that you know it's not up against the house or anything, just a freestanding trellis that you can use for any part of your property where you want to plant, that you can grow a rose bush or any kind of vine type flowering plant, and this is an option for you. So just simple design. Try to keep things simple here, since I'm not a professional at anything, but it's functional. So hope y'all enjoyed it, and we'll see you again soon. Signing out for Sunshine and Country. Y'all have a sunshiny day, and we're enjoying the sunshine today, as you can see. Alright, have a good one. Bye bye.